Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Cole. It's Sunday evening, September 26th, as we now enter Week 7 of Common Law, Political Science 3753 for the fall term. Everybody, I'm not in Baton Rouge tonight. I am in Guyman, Oklahoma. I have been in the area this weekend for OPSU's homecoming. Got to see at least one student I knew at the ball game yesterday, and I do plan to be on campus for a little while tomorrow morning, Monday, before traveling back to Louisiana Tuesday. So perhaps I will get to see one or two more people tomorrow. Perhaps not. We'll see. In that case, everybody, we have Federalism on the syllabus for this week. We are winding up the material for the midterm exam. And I will be getting an announcement out in a couple of days about the midterm exam, which is scheduled for Monday, a week from tomorrow. That'll be Monday, October 4th. Now, we have been running a discussion that we extended through the weekend. The window for that, even though it was extended, will more likely be over by the time you see this message. So I hope some people, if you had not posted already, got to post once or twice over the weekend on that issue about the legitimacy of things like the vaccine mandate and the eviction moratorium. Now, tomorrow, we have our third quiz scheduled. We had one article from the press going back a couple of years for you to look at, and also a couple of Supreme Court opinions on the Garcia versus San Antonio case, which is in your textbook, and also South Carolina versus Katzenbach, which we mailed you a PDF of some excerpts from that decision. Both cases that regard the relationship between the states and the feds, which is on our syllabus for this week, Federalism. Okay? All right, so that will be what we have for this week. We are winding up a discussion this weekend, and we'll have our third quiz tomorrow, Monday, September 27th. And we will be continuing to look at federalism issues before we wind that up and move on to the midterm exam next week on Monday, October 4th. Everyone, you will be responsible for the class notes for lectures 1 through 12, okay, and the quiz material. I expect to repeat a few of the quiz items on the exam, maybe 10 or 15 of them. There will be 50 items in all. The remainder will come from the class notes, by and large, but 10 or 15 will be quiz items that will be repeated. So look closely at the quiz material for quizzes 1, 2, and 3, and also the class notes for lectures 1 through 12. That will be the material for the midterm exam. And we'll say more about that. With the quiz taking place tomorrow, we will try to get an announcement out Tuesday or perhaps Wednesday about the midterm exam that will take place Monday, October 4th, a week from tomorrow. So, we're winding up the first half of the course and pointing toward the midterm exam. So I hope you will take a look at that federalism material as well as the material going back to the beginning of the term as you prepare for the midterm exam. Otherwise, we'll be speaking to you once again about a week from tonight when we'll be right on the eve of the midterm exam. So, study hard. Good luck on that quiz tomorrow. Any questions in the meantime, I can be reached at david.cole, david.cole at opsu.edu. So, good luck, and we'll be talking to you next weekend before the midterm exam.